Today we are vaccinating Gumboro because our birds today have made 3 weeks. With Gumboro vaccination, it is always administered on the eye with a single drop. Raymond says with lot of experience working with poultry quite some time now. What has made him always outstanding is following right procedures. He continues and says, most times when I receive young chicks, I make sure the brooder has right temperature, lighting, water and feeders to avoid competition and so as to achieve uniform growth. Day-old chicks where we buy them from, they are always pre-vaccinated with Merrick's vaccine and always ministered on the neck or thighs to avoid lameness in birds. Then when birds make 1 week on the farm, we then vaccinate them with Newcastle plus IB vaccine with 1 drop on the eyes to avoid fever in birds and losing the whole batch. Then late on the 10th day, we vaccinate Merrick's again. On 14th, we vaccinate Gumboro 1 vaccine on the eye, then, on the 21st day, today, we vaccinate Gumboro for the 2nd time. When our birds make 2.5 months we vaccinate them again with Newcastle plain. So that is how our vaccination schedule is, here at our farm, Mr. Morris.